My husband and I had founded the charity Ulstrom UK when our children were diagnosed late at 18 and 15, and we lost Matthew at 25 following a heart transplant and Charlotte at 29.
We're working drug repurposing, so trying to find new uses for existing medicines.
My daughter Emily was diagnosed with Tay-Sachs, which is a very rare genetic condition, and unfortunately it's a terminal illness in children.
We focus on using advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning to help find existing treatments for rare diseases.
Being a patient with rare disease, but also being a medical student and having done research into rare diseases. This event is great because it brings together so many different people in that rare diseases community.
Collaboration is absolutely key. People who care most about this are the patients and the patient groups. They've got the drive to push things forward, but they might not have the skills and expertise they need to deliver new treatments. If they can go out there, if they find a clinician who's interested, that can move things forward, start driving towards new treatments.
And we were actually at the World Orphan Drug Conference displaying a poster about Ulstrom. The CEO of a company approached us and said that he'd actually developed a drug. So we've got a trial.
Motivation that you get from patients, from interactions, actually seeing other companies succeed in finding orphan drugs, that can be really motivating.
Some of these charities have been going for a lot longer than us, so they had the experience of the difficulties you may have with starting a clinical trial, the experience of bringing a drug to actually fruition so people can use it. So learning from their experiences and working together, they can then help us.
In rare diseases, it makes absolutely no sense not to collaborate. There's already not enough resources, there's already not enough data, there's so many challenges that you have that the only way forward is to collaborate.
You have a lot more power, you have a louder voice, you're more likely to be heard by policymakers.
Cambridge, we've got the largest biotechs in Europe.
It's a real hub for life sciences in the UK. We've got a fantastic university.
We've got multiple different science parks where a lot of innovation is happening.
The Cambridge Rare Disease Network brings all those different stakeholders and interests together.
The collaborations we try and start here, the stories we try and share here, allowing these patient groups to have a powerful voice, to realise the power of their voice.
We're very close to starting a clinical trial. Unfortunately for Emily, it's going to be too late, but we're hopeful in the next year or two there's something for other kids in the future.
A very exciting time for rare diseases and the new technologies, machine learning, artificial intelligence. I don't think there's been any more exciting time for rare diseases, and it's only the beginning.
Individually, rare diseases are isolated and alone, but collectively, they're not rare. 1 in 17 people has a rare disease. And collectively, they'll have the stronger voice. Collectively, we will make a difference.